So tip number 12 in our 101 tips for property investment. Really, these 10 from 11 to 20 are actually geared towards you if you're starting out. So tip number 12, become the estate agent's best friend. A lot of the best deals will never make it into the estate agent's front window. If you let the estate agents know what you are looking for and get them on your side, then they will be telling you about deals that come their way before they make it onto their normal books. So make the estate agent your best friend, because they are naturally having access to deals and you want to make sure those deals are passed on to you first. For more hints and tips, head to Martin Roberts Property Tidbits on YouTube.